to make this cup. Flip kick cookie. Shout out to you to make this. Welcome back to Muppet Mayhem. Today we're turning this Cookie Monster plush into this Cookie Monster puppet. C is for cookies, good enough for me. This Cookie Monster is the Play School Sesame Street Cookie Monster Jumbo plush. You can get it at Walmart or eBay. Thank you to this Muppet Show for commenting on our Elmo video to make this puppet. To make this puppet, you will need a seam ripper, some thread, sewing needles, and an arm control rod. To make an arm control rod, watch our video how to make an arm control rod. Turn Cookie Monster over and cut a hole with the seam ripper the width of your hand. Cutting the seam could be difficult because they transition from this white thread to this clear thread, and it's really difficult because some of the fur got caught in the seam. Once you're done with your hand hole, make a pathway and pull out some stuffing to his mouth. There are sticks on his eyes inside the puppet, so to be able to move his mouth, you have to put your joints between the sticks. Use some scissors to cut off the tabs, but make sure to not cut the seam. Make a couple of loops with needle and thread on both sides of your handhole so it doesn't get all loosey-goosey. Use a poker to poke a hole on his wrist for the arm control rod. You want to know how to make an arm control rod? Click this link right here. Now you have a Cookie Monster puppet. Cookies! Nom 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 nom. Please like and subscribe to our video. Please. It's time to do my CPR. Cookies first.
Thanks for watching our video. Click on the circle to subscribe to our channel, and click on one of those tiles to watch one of our other fun videos. Thanks a lot.